Hello, this is Jane Chu here from thefabulousbodymind.com. Few days ago, I asked in my community during our Metabolic Health Hacks day this question. Which is the following is the common hidden source of added sugars in our diet? So the answer choices available were A. Fresh vegetables, B. Plain yogurt, C. Salad dressings, D. Black coffee. So, do you know the answer by now? Yeah. So, let me review the answer, right? The correct answer is C. Salad dressings. Is it a surprise to some of you? Many store-bought salad dressings contain added sugars to enhance flavor. It is always a good idea to check the food labels or make your own dressing at home using natural ingredients. Being aware of hidden sugars can help you make healthier choices and keep your sugar intake in check. Stay tuned for more health tips and quizzes. Get more of your friends to join this forum. Alright, see you next round and bye.